Oh, what do we have here? When teens massively outnumber the cops by Midwest safety.
774. I have a physical fight at Culver's.
Oh, shit.
Knock it off. No.
Oh, shit.
Behind your back. Behind your back.
No. He ran up on him. He wasn't trying to fight.
Relax. Relax.
He ain't had no choice but to hit back because he ran up.
Relax.
We chilling. We finna go.
Relax. No.
You know you not.
Take this one. Take that one. They were both squaring up on each other. He got hit. I don't know who started it.
He did. He ran up on him.
And he getting away. Boy, they ain't gonna like that. They gonna be pissed off.
He got jumped.
Okay.
It was a mass crowd. I don't know. Everybody else took off.
Anyone else?
This one got jumped. Everybody else started taking off as soon as I grabbed him. Okay.
What the fuck is Culver's? Is Culver's good, y'all? I've never had it before. Ooh. Oh.
Get out of here. Go. 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 Do you want to be arrested?
I'm arresting my little brother.
Then get out of here.
Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Go.
Don't touch me, bro.
Go.
Don't touch me.
Go.
Don't touch me.
Do you want to be arrested?
Don't touch me.
Then get out of here.
Bro, get the f off me, man.
These teens come from great parenting households.
He's got to get off property just like you. Get off property.
Bro, I gotta check on my little brother.
Do my job.
Why would you have your little brother out here in this shit? Why? Why? Boy, my mama would have whooped my ass if I would have let my little sibling get into some shit like that.
Get property.
I would have got his ass whooping and mine.
You want to be arrested? Go.
Put your hands on me again.
Off property.
Put your hands on me again. Off property. Put your hands on me
Go.
again.
Off property.
I can see it now. He about to go to
Off
jail.
property, not this way. Off property. Off property.
You about to fight the cop? I know you lying. You can't be too smart.
Put your hands on me again.
Go.
Uh-oh.
Watch it behind you.
Oh, you so tough. You can run. You so tough. You want to run.
Oh.
That's what you doing.
He said, oh, you tough, huh?
We're chasing a male black. Gray t-shirt. Gray pants. Do the...
Look, he got a big ass stomach. You can see his shadow. Y'all saw that? He said, I am not doing
That's
that.
what you doing.
Them two cops ex-track stars. Look, y'all see that stomach right there? Boy, he got a big ass. He ain't running after nothing but a donut and some coffee.
Black, gray t-shirt. Gray pants. Do the Total Wine parking lot.
You want to run?
We're chasing a male black.
You don't stop. You don't get.
Gray pants. Do the Total Wine parking lot.
Oh, got him. Did do it, Judge.
You're on arrest.
That's arrest number 4. Oh, shit. Damn.
Put your hands on your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Ooh.
All you had to do was leave, man.
Stop acting so hard.
Come on, right?
Yeah, at that age, they just feel like they're untouchable, and that's just not the case, baby.
He ain't hard, he ran. People who hard don't run.
Like a little biatch.
All you have to do is leave, dude. I told you he was going to the Glendale Police Department. Square off on people.
Hey, hurry up and get me off this foot. No! You chose to come down here.
Hey, them ants in that grass eating his ass up.
Come on, bro. Okay. Who's flashlight? One of you call his mama.
Go on your side.
Get out of my pockets, bro.
You're under arrest. You're getting searched. Shut
But nothing on your body is yours no more. You are in police custody, bro. You.
up.
I ain't on me, little bro.
I don't care.
Pocket, little bro.
Who's little
All
bro?
your pockets are getting searched. Yes. They're fighting the dude over there. Yeah. They got 3 of them. There's one that was running his mouth over here. Chaos.
Watch. Bro, yes, put that shit. Put that shit, bro.
Last time I checked, you don't give me orders. Roll over.
Facts.
Oh no, cause a lot of y'all pushing me.
Roll over.
My brother's going.
He's under arrest. It's not rocket science.
Put my hat on. Put my hat on. Put my hat on. Bro, put my hat on.
Shut up.
Bro, put my hat on. Bro, can you put my hat on, bro?
I could, but I'm not going to.
Sit you on your butt.
Bro, stop for y'all. Break my hand, man.
Stand up.
Bro, chill. Pull my shirt down. Pull my shirt
His vocabulary only is to say bro, huh?
down.
Stand up.
Pull my shirt down.
Put your heels in.
Pull my shirt down, man.
Well, when you stand up.
You ran as a 17-year-old?
Bro, type
Come on, man, have some sense. Have some sense.
okay, y'all pull my shirt down, man.
You got something for
Stop telling us what to do.
Would you just calm down? We can help you, but you need to say it respectfully.
Bro, y'all manhandling what the do you need?
I mean, you acting like a child. What you thought was gonna happen?
What do you need?
Are you 17 or are you 7?
Can you, bro, stop for
Both of them.
break my heart,
Are
bro.
you 17 or are you 7? Please stop crying like a 7-year-old.
I'm not crying like
Step back. Pull me back.
exactly. Watch out.
Pull him back. What is wrong? Your shirt? Is this what you
Yes,
want?
bro, y'all disrespecting me right now.
Who disrespect? Oh, stop. Stop with the disrespect.
No, y'all
Because
got
I
my
asked you
face
not to
all
run
in the
it.
grass.
That's you.
Y'all need me for
That's
it.
you.
Bro, can you tell your officer stop bending my hand right now?
Stop crying like a
Bro,
baby.
let my hand go.
That's
Just
what
let
you
my
do.
hand go. I'm gonna get in the car, bro. In the
Facts.
car, please.
Okay? It's not that hard.
Bro, this gang, bro. Can I sit down?
I understand this.
They got that boy bent over in a real bad position.
Can I sit down? You listen to instructions.
I got it.
Okay? Step out. You're gonna sit in the car with your butt first. Do you understand?
Bro, get buddy.
Do you understand?
Yes, buddy.
Okay. I agree, bro.
Yeah.
You have to.
I agree.
Bro, you all f***ing my arm up, bro.
Nobody's messing your arm up.
Yeah, that's just that.
Yeah, that boy bent over.
Literally a minute and a half later, another fight breaks out on the other side of the mall.
There is a fight here.
Another one? Oh.
Stay here.
I would have been spraying mace because I'm not finna get involved in it. Oh yeah, her ass going to jail.
Behind your back. Put your hands behind your Hey, black female in there. She got sprayed. Put your hands behind your back and I'll wash your eyes out. Put your hands behind your back and I'll wash your eyes out. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. I'll get you some water. No. No, inside.
He lied to her ass. He thought he was gonna get some water in her head, so she put her hand behind her back. I know you lying.
7:30 out.
Just when officers think the chaos is over, yet another fight breaks out in another section of the mall.
Oh God.
Foot locker.
They need to go ahead and lock this mall down, bro. Ooh. Bear mace for large crowds.
There's no pepper spray at this location. Put her down on the curb and we'll get her eyes cleaned out. I got her. Sit her down. Put her down on the curb. Sit down.
Boy, that ain't nothing like Gio. Boy, you ever get sprayed with that? Boy, you ain't gonna want to dab it again.
Sit down. Sit down. Y'all gotta go. I gotta get her medical attention. If she's done, you can go. No. Y'all don't get to act like big kids and then cry like babies. This is what happens to big kids. Bye.
She was definitely the one I was fighting.
Listen, I'm gonna get you medical attention, okay?
All you guys had to do is leave. They were over there.
Ain't got nothing else better to do.
Trey, you're gone. Put your hands behind your back. Now.
I don't get no
Put your hands behind your back. I told you to leave. You're gone. All right, Trey. You're going to get a ticket and go, but you got to learn to listen. I told you. Well, all these guys are my witnesses. 712 dispatch. Create a DC call.
in front of Nike. Assign it to me. I have one in custody. Hey, that'll be mine. That'll be mine. I told him to leave. All those people heard me say, Trey, leave. And he's cocking off the entire time. And then if I'm back here, that's why he's getting a trespassing ticket. If anyone else want to disobey me, we can find more cuffs. Get out of here.
The spring break melees resulted in a total of 13 arrests and approximately 7 individuals hit with pepper spray. The arrested were charged with resisting, obstructing, and disorderly conduct. They are all presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
All right, let's go back a little for this one.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And that's it, baby. We out.